Hello class 7, this is your physics class and we were discussing about relationship between three scales of temperature. So today's class we are starting from the examples between the conversion, examples related to the conversion between three scales of temperature. So the first example is how to convert 0 degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit scale. So you know we have drawn the relationship between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale, that is C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. So first write down that relationship between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale we have got from the divisions of two scales. And now just put the value of degree Celsius, temperature in the expression. So putting the expression in the expression, so 0 by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. Now apply cross multiplication. 9 into 0 and this one is 5 into F minus 32. Apply cross multiplication. So by applying we are getting 9 into 0 equal to 5 into F minus 32. So 9 into 0 means 0. So 5F and 5 into 32 means 160. So put 160 in left hand side, it becomes plus 160. So 5F equal to plus 160. So F is 32. So you can say 0 degree Celsius equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. If you see the division in degree Celsius and Fahrenheit scale, you can see that degree Celsius scale starts from 0 degree Celsius and Fahrenheit scale starts from 32 degree Fahrenheit. That is, the starting temperature in two scales will be same, and that is what we are getting in this numerical example, that is 0 degree Celsius we are getting is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit, and that is what we have got from our scale division. That means the expression that we have drawn, the relationship that we have drawn between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit scale, that is perfectly correct because it is giving the scale division correctly. Next is just in a similar way, we have converted the lowest temperature in Celsius scale to the lowest temperature of Fahrenheit scale. So take the highest temperature, highest division, that is 100 degrees Celsius. So convert 100 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. So the second example, similar way, just put the degree Celsius value in the expression that we have drawn, so and apply cross multiplication. So putting 100 by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. Just like the previous example, apply cross multiplication and you will get it as 900 equal to 5F minus 160. So 5F equal to 900 plus 160. 5F equal to 1060. So F equal to 1060 by 5, that is 212. Again this is matching with the scale division, that is the final temperature, final division in degree Celsius scale is 100 degrees Celsius and final division in Fahrenheit scale is 212 degree Fahrenheit. That means these two will be equal, and from the expression we are getting that these two are perfectly equal. That means again the expression is fully correct. So 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. This is proven from the expression or from the scale division. Next is the vice versa, that is how to convert Fahrenheit temperature to degree Celsius. So the third example is Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So third example, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. For your information, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit is the human body temperature. This is human body temperature. The thermometer that we use for measuring our body temperature or the fever, that is in Fahrenheit unit. So the normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit according to thermometer Fahrenheit scale, and whenever it is 99, 100, 101, that we measure during our fever, that is in Fahrenheit unit, and that represent high fever. So 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, if we measure it in degree Celsius, what will be the amount? So again, draw the relationship between Fahrenheit and degree Celsius, and we are getting C equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 32. As here in this expression, in this example, Fahrenheit temperature is given, so put the Fahrenheit temperature in this expression. So putting C equal to 5 by 9 into 98.6 minus 32. So minus it 5 by 9 into 66.6. So equal to 3330 by 9, and it will be 37. That means 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, that is the normal body temperature of human, is equal to 37 degrees Celsius in Celsius scale. So 98.6 degree Fahrenheit equal to 37 degrees Celsius. So we measure in Fahrenheit scale, but if we measure in degree Celsius scale, it will be 37 degrees Celsius. And the last example is how to convert 30 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Another example is convert 30 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Same method, just you have to calculate correctly. So C by 5 equal to 8 minus 32 by 9. So 30 putting here. So 30 by 5 equal to 8 minus 32 by 9. So apply cross multiplication. So you will get 30 into 9 equal to 5 into 8 minus 32. So it will be 270 equal to 5f minus 160. So 5f equal to 270 plus 160. So f equal to 0. 430 by 5. So this is 86 degree Fahrenheit. That means we have got 30 degrees Celsius is equal to 86 degree Fahrenheit. So these are some examples, that is how to convert degree Celsius in Fahrenheit or vice versa, that is Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So in the next class we will discuss some numerical problems, that is the application of the concept that we have drawn in these two classes.